Get a higher level of DIY with Halo from Pulsar, the professional-grade do-it-yourself security and home automation system that turns your smartphone into a universal remote control for your entire home. Lock and unlock your doors remotely. Control your lights from anywhere. Turn appliances on and off. Save money by managing your thermostat. Arm or disarm your alarm system and receive notifications so you know who's coming home. Create scenes like movie night or arrive home, where one touch of a button triggers a whole sequence of events. You can also schedule these scenes to happen automatically. If that's not convenient enough, Halo's fully integrated with Amazon Echo.
Alexa, tell SmartLink to turn on the fireplace.
Setting fireplace to on.
Keep an eye on your home from anywhere with our industry-leading cameras, featuring high-definition video resolution, night vision, and two-way voice, so you can stay in contact with your kids, your pets, or even your elderly parents. Halo's higher level of DIY starts with professional-grade security that most do-it-yourself systems lack. Military-grade encrypted security, smoke, medical, and even flood sensors keep you notified, but are also professionally monitored 24/7 to keep your home safe. Halo comes fully equipped with Z-Wave, one of the most advanced and simple-to-use smart home communications platforms, giving you total control to automate your home the way you want. The Halo advantage is having your security, automation, and video surveillance all integrated into one system. This integration is what sets Halo apart from the competition. The unlocking of a door can disarm your security system. Door sensors used on your liquor cabinet or gun safe can trigger a notification to your phone with video confirmation of who's in there. Arming your security system can automatically lock your doors or close your blinds. Our flood sensor not only notifies you when it detects water, but can turn off your water valve automatically to prevent further damage. Safety sensors like the smoke detector and panic pendant can be set up to trigger scenes like turning on the lights and unlocking doors. Advancements in wireless technology and pre-programming makes Halo simple. If you can stick up a sensor, screw in a light bulb, and download an app, you can install your Halo system. But if you do need a hand, Pulsar Halo's 24/7 customer support is always there to assist. So don't get stuck in long-term contracts or pay hundreds more for systems that do far less. You take control and have security on your terms. Automate your home the way that you want, with a system that takes complicated and expensive and makes it simple and affordable. Pulsar's Halo.